These are the top 5 brokers, platforms and software for all traders out there, and in this video I'm gonna show you what is the best for you. Before we get started, I want to warn you, please do not contact people who leave their numbers in the comments of this video. They are not associated with me. The only place to find resources and tools is the description of this video. So when you get started as a trader, the first thing is to choose a broker and a trading platform. So this part should be very straightforward, but unfortunately with the rising of scammers on the internet, you need to make sure that you choose the right one, because if not, you might end up losing your hard-earned money to scammers. So when you are choosing a broker, you need to look up for a few things. Number one, is the broker regulated to work under rightful laws of online trading? When choosing a broker, make sure from their website you can find a regulation license. If not, then you don't want to go with that broker. Number two is customer support. This is the most important, and you can guess why I'm saying that. You never want to work with a company that doesn't reply to your complaints or requests, right? So you want a company which have a good customer services. Number three, experience. Knowing that my broker have been around for 20 years can help you sleep well even if you have 50,000 in that account, because somehow you trust that 20 years of experience is a long period of time for scammers to be around. So somehow this broker might be a good broker. Number four, spreads. Spreads are a commission that brokers take per each and every trade. So if you choose a broker with high spreads, you might end up just working for them, because all the trades that you make, all your profits are gonna just go back to the spreads. Number five, payment methods. This is a big one according to where you live. If you are in Africa like me, you have little choices but to join Deriv, since they are one of the only brokers who are trying to make it very easy for you to deposit and withdraw money. Then the next thing that you need after choosing a broker, you need to choose a platform, and there are basically two reasons that you need to consider before picking a platform. Number one, the interface or the user experience. I'm talking about how easy it is for a beginner to use that platform. Number two, can the platform be connected to the broker that you chose, right? So we basically have three popular platforms that connects to almost all the brokers. Number one is TradingView, number two MetaTrader, and number three is CTrader. For each of these, MetaTrader is the most common one, and that's what I use also, and I connect to my broker. That's why I use the MetaTrader for my trading. So I'll leave the link in the description below. So here are the top 5 platforms that you can use for your trading. Number one, Deriv. Deriv is a broker that I think almost every trader in Africa uses, because I think the reason is because they are providing some of the best services if you compare them to other brokers. They allow you to trade crypto, synthetic indices, currencies, commodities, metals, and even more. Before I forget, if you guys want to know which one is better to trade between currencies and synthetic indices, make sure to tell me in the comments below. The main reason why I personally chose Deriv is because of the payment system, which is one of our biggest challenges as traders, right? Deriv have done a good job here by creating a lot of e-wallets and peer-to-peer marketplaces so that they can allow us to move money easily on the internet and be able to exchange money with other fellow traders without going to the banks and being in all those lines of trying to deposit your money into your account. Number two, the next platform that I want you to check out is MyForexFunds. MyForexFunds is not a broker, but it's a funding company. That's why I brought it here. Here's the thing: when you're trading, you have two choices: either to deposit your money to trade with, or to get a funded account so that you can trade with. Here's how it works. These companies are called prop firms, and the way they operate is that they will let you take a test from their demo account to prove to them that you can generate 10% profits for 2 months in a row. And if you can do that, if you can pass that test, they will give you a big account like $10,000 or $20,000 or $50,000 to trade with. Then you will split the profits with them. You as a trader, you get around 70% of the trade of the profits, and they get around 20% of the profit of that account. So to take the test, you will be required to pay a small fee around $50 to $1,000 depending on how big the account that you want is. So there are many of these, and big names include FTMO, MyForexFund, BlueFX, CapitalFX, and more. I prefer MyForexFunds because their profit target is 8% to pass, and which is cheaper and easier than other big names. Also, their cheapest testing fee is $49 for $5,000 account. So it's best for most new traders. If you can get $49, you can go test it. If you can pass and make 10%, 8% for 2 months in a row, so the first month you are going to make 8%, the second month you are going to be asked to make 5% profit. If you do that, you have passed the challenge, and they'll give you the money to trade. They'll give you $5,000 to trade, and you only use $49 to get that. So I think it's a good thing for all those people who have small accounts and who are struggling to raise money to trade. Then the number 3 platform, the next platform that we might use is Exness. Exness is a broker just like Deriv, but the reason why I put Exness here is because they allow you to open an account which you can trade in rands, right? So if you're in South Africa, mostly I've seen a lot of questions, people saying, how can I use rands to trade? You can check out the broker called Exness. I'll leave their link in the description also below, so that you can check them out, see how they work, and see how you can get started. Number 4, the most important tool, the next important tool is TradingView. TradingView is one of the best softwares out there, and there's many reasons for that. One of them is most traders now prefer to use TradingView for their analysis. So the programmers of indicators are also going to move to TradingView when creating their indicators, because that's where most traders are. So if you check it out, there is more and more indicators on TradingView as compared to MetaTrader. So for me, my broker doesn't allow me to connect directly to TradingView, but I use TradingView for analysis, and then I will use MetaTrader for placing my trades. So I will open MetaTrader on my phone, and then I will open TradingView on my computer. Then I do the analysis and I place my trades on my phone. So number 5, the next important tool that you need is a position size calculator. For most new traders, they don't use this, but trust me, profitable traders always use position size calculators. When placing a trade, you need to know what is your maximum risk per trade. You also need to know what is your potential gain when should you exit that trade if it goes wrong. So you need to be planned. What is my lot size? What is the amount of money that I'm risking? Where is my exit point if I'm right, and where is my exit point if I am right? So for you to get a position size calculator, there's a lot of tools out there, but one of the most common is my FX books, which is, I think most traders use that. So for synthetic indices, if you're using Deriv and you are trading volatility indices, we have created a calculator, and you can get it on our website, which is tradingwithtan.net. It's coming very, very soon. So to get notified when it's out, make sure you subscribe to this channel and join our Telegram group with the link below. Hey, if you are still watching this video until now, it means somehow you like it. So make sure you click that like button so that you won't miss any of our future videos. For now, you need to watch the video appearing on the screen, which is going to show you the best strategy that we have ever discovered on this channel.